I want to bless people with free room makeovers, but in order for me to do that, I need to get this YouTube channel monetized. This is day one of me trying to get monetized so that I can give free room makeovers. My name is Magdalena Mendez, and I am an interior decorator from San Antonio, Texas. My husband and I have been taking on clients and making their homes beautiful for a couple years now, but now we want to give back and bless people with free room makeovers. So here's the plan. I recently added square footage to my home, but I ran out of money. So I'm challenging myself to use whatever money I find around the house to finish unfinished projects. Some of the unfinished projects are a built-in closet in my girls' room, an unfinished mudroom. I need to finish building this wall in my boys' room, and a full bath that needs so much work. And right now, my budget is whatever is in this jar. Let's count it and see what project I can actually afford today. My strategy here is I'm going to separate the quarters, nickels, dimes, and whatever else I have in here and see how much we can get from that. Out of all the unfinished projects, I'm going to start by closing up the wall in my boys' room. I had my husband Frank measure out how many sheets of sheetrock we will need, and I was sweating because I'm hoping I have enough coins to cover the cost. Frank said that we only need 3 sheets, so we woke up early the next morning and headed to the hardware store. You can see the nerves on Frank's face. As always, he is a driver and I'm running late and doing my makeup in the car. Once we got to Lowe's, I decided to take all the coins except the pennies. We will keep those for later. But we were able to get 3 sheets of sheetrock. Now let's go pay. We gotta use $37.28 in coins. We're gonna pay. Thank God there's like a wall right here to cover some. Putting my trust in this guy to count my money correctly. Let's get rid of the nickel first. Everything was going fine as I was putting in my nickels, but it was so loud. But then, they stopped taking my coins.
Probably broke it.
The machine was making a lot of noise, but wasn't taking any more of my coins. Unfortunately, I had to call the associate over to help me. Associate said that these machines break super easily, so hopefully I didn't break it. And fortunately, they were able to help me transition to another machine. The money got stuck in there, so I think they're gonna give us some more money. But let me try this new machine and see if they'll receive my money. Guys, we are new to recording for YouTube, so please excuse my ring light or fingers you may see in this video.
Pay this stuff in quarters. We'll just go little by little.
I was gonna say, and I'm not saying you have to or anything, but Coinstar?
Yeah, no.
This guy was trying to be helpful and direct us to Coinstar, I guess to change our coins to dollars, but we are on a mission. I'm sweating. This is stressful. And this is where the machine stopped taking my quarters. Nope. They don't want to give me the money because they won't spit it back out. So we'll see what happens. I'm putting in dimes to see if it'll work.
It's working now, Tachala.
The machine worked for a bit, then stopped taking my dimes. I'm gonna try nickels. See if it'll take it. After trying all the coins, the associates were trying their best to get the machine working. They even took the machine apart to see if they could get it to work. I honestly felt so bad. We are at a standstill.
It's been like, what, 20 minutes here? We done broke their machine, it looks like. Well,
Two of them.
machines. But they're okay. They're good.
They're trying to figure it out.
They said it should
Good customer service.
Good customer service. Really good.
The machine took $23.35, but now we gotta see if it's gonna give it back. Is it coming out? Is it only coming out? I don't know, look at God. Since self-checkout wasn't receiving any more of my coins, they directed us to customer service to pay for the rest. Here we are counting the coins to pay the remaining balance.
2 hours later.
I filled up his register with quarters. We did it! We did it!
Here's your dime.
Yes, give me my dime.
Good, great customer service.
Great. Kept on apologizing because I was like, oh my God, I'm so sorry. I thought I was just gonna go to the machine and then it would just like take it. My God. Let's go to Coinstar or whatever he said. Figure out how we can get this change into dollars instead. But we did it. And we were able to get 3 half-inch sheetrocks so that we can probably do the wall in my boys' room and the wall in the hallway. So let's load them up and get it done.
Done.
Let's go to the house and unload. We did it. We did it, my love.
Oh my God.
One job
to
to
think
do.
like people back there used to pay, but it wasn't as much.
Mm-hmm.
We broke 2 machines and we ended up at customer service to get the rest of it. We had to count out all the
I
change.
think it was like 14
Yeah, like $14.
more dollars in change. Thank God I had quarters.
Yeah.
Because imagine if I would have paid with pennies.
We had it.
Imagine if I was trying to pay with these. It would have been there forever. Let's go home and unload. Before I show you what I was able to get done, make sure to like this video and let me know in the comments where else I should look to fund these projects. I'm thinking the next place I'd look is in the laundry room, but let me know in the comments. Tune into the next one. This is day 1 of me trying to get monetized so that I can give free room makeovers. And honestly, I'm super proud of this little win. Day 2 is coming up. I'll be using paint to create a furniture piece. You should be able to watch it here.